The dump truck rescue was going smoothly until it hit another obstacle. Unbelievable. Getting wood out of the woods is never an easy task, but the roads are always a challenge no matter how you tackle them. Let's witness a spectacular rescue in harsh winter conditions. A powerful red crawler tractor is participating in the rescue of a truck carrying timber stuck in the white snow. This is really an impressive rescue, right? Leave your comments about this rescue. No way. You can seriously suggest using it for commercial purposes. That would be illegal. From the perspective of a car speeding down the road, everything seemed peaceful. The sun was shining, traffic was steady, vehicles were moving smoothly. Suddenly, the truck tilted sharply to one side of the road. In challenging journeys, not everything is always easy. Let's see a tractor carrying wood fighting a muddy and flooded road. This is a testament to the power of tractors carrying wood. They are not only tools, but also symbols of perseverance to overcome all challenges. No matter how difficult the road is, we always move forward. I can't help but wonder if this is a truck or a boat. Watch it glide through the swamp like it's on water. An impressive performance. I can't believe this car can glide through the mud like that. This is proof of the design and power of the car. see the log truck moving slowly down an uneven terrain slope, and loud noises coming from the truck every time it goes downhill, as if the truck is facing a serious challenge. Wow, I can't believe the log truck flipped over. Oh my God. The blue truck continued to move forward warily. Next to it was a rocky slope that added to the challenge for the truck as it faced these harsh conditions. It's amazing. Witness the spectacular transformation of one of the world's largest vehicles as these giant trucks carry a real-life monster on their backs, slowly advancing with raw power and absolute precision. Haul truck recovery, because some roads are really not easy, but for this one we will get it back on track efficiently and safely, no matter what the weather. This giant machine doesn't need roads, it makes its own way. Surely, you have never witnessed a dramatic situation like this. A truck full of wood stuck on a collapsed wooden bridge will be a long and arduous journey, but it is also a testament to the strength of the vehicles and mutual support in work. Hopefully, everything will always be safe on such difficult roads. This tractor is stuck in the mud. It's trying to get out, but things are not looking good. It's a mess. Everywhere. Congratulations to the log driver who mastered the tight turn in the jungle in slippery, rainy conditions. His skill and professionalism really shined. He absolutely deserves recognition and respect for pulling off such a great maneuver. Terrain today is really not easy at all. The red tractor continues to move forward, pulling a large amount of wood. You can see each crawler is fighting with the mud to keep moving. The crawlers seem to be stuck in the soft ground, but the tractor does not back down. someone who spent years in the lumber industry, I am really impressed with this truck. Most lumber haulers would sink deep in mud, but this truck is strong. This truck is strong, like it is driving on solid ground. Those tires are like car tires, but I have never seen them on European trucks. They are definitely custom designed. Whatever they are, they get the job done. This truck is a testament to the durability and creativity of lumber haulers. Then the sound of the truck engine echoed in the quiet space of the forest as the large green and white truck began to climb a steep dirt road. Each turn of the wheel created a powerful sound, reflecting the hardship of the difficult road.